Great comment, and you raise a great point. A ladybird deed is a lot more cost effective than a trust. In this video, I'm going to tell you why sometimes, not always, a trust is just going to be a better option than a ladybird deed. Mike, what if you have 5 children? You do a ladybird deed and you say, upon my death, it goes to those 5 children. Well, in that case, they're going to become the owners upon your death. What if they don't get along, or what if one wants to sell it and one wants to rent it? Now they're going to be fighting, and it could ultimately go to the courts through something called a partition action, which will settle what happens with the case, and ultimately it will get sold at the courthouse steps. A trust, you could designate the person you want to manage the property, to sell it, to split the proceeds. So sometimes in a situation like that, a trust is a better option. What if you have a beneficiary that's receiving governmental benefits based on their assets? Well, if you give them it through a ladybird deed, they're very likely going to lose those benefits. Number 3, and very common, you have a beneficiary that is not great managing money. If you do the ladybird deed, that real estate becomes theirs upon your death. And now all of a sudden, they're going to waste that money potentially, not use it properly. So that's another reason you do a spendthrift or discretionary trust. Maybe you have a child with maybe certain needs or maybe substance abuse. There's a lot of reasons for a lot of people that a trust is better than a ladybird deed. But you're right. A ladybird deed for many people, not all, is going to be a good option versus the trust for devising real estate in Florida without having to go through probate. And I do really appreciate your comment, Mike.